Can I just get a little bit to have? Can I just get a crumb to eat? Because that little bit I had was so good.
I know. Our main task today was to do an inspection and install some hive beetle traps. There. Look at all the hive beetles. Summertime is when these things really start to bloom out. Going any further.
What are we doing?
Well, we're going to go down into the bottom brood chamber. We're going to check for eggs and larvae. And we're going to put 2 of these beetle traps in.
I want to break the...
God.
I want to break the... Oh wow, look at that. Of course it's safe.
What about the bees?
They're sticking, they're right here. They're not coming after you.
Yeah, I got some good stores here.
Yeah.
Very nice indeed.
Is there none flying around?
Oh
No.
yeah, they're all here.
But they're all here. They're not going to come toward you.
The rule of smoke is, the less you use, the more you see. But you know, you gotta
Use a
posture
little.
that with the...
Oh,
exactly what I
that's
just
all
did.
right.
Lots of honey. There's a hive beetle running around.
Oh my God.
Nice
Wow,
cap brood.
look at that cap brood.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
This side too.
That's fantastic.
So there's 3,500 cells
Oh, wait,
on a side.
With 2 sides to each frame and 10 frames in a brood chamber, that gives the queen 70,000 possible locations to lay an egg.
Just the bee sucking on the honey you bring.
It
Okay?
looks like that, yeah.
Again,
Wow, lots of cap brood.
lots of cap brood.
Nice. And some honey too. May I get rid of this?
Cap brood. No, that's okay on the bottom right,
All right.
now. Another solid layer of brood.
Yep. That's good.
Again, what are we next? Eyes are not seeing a queen right offhand. Wherever she is, she's doing a great job. There she is,
Where?
towards the center bottom of the frame.
Right there.
See her?
Yep.
Let me see if I can get her.
She's beautiful. See the queen?
Where did she go?
Right
there
here.
she is, yeah. There she is. Put her else in the frame. That's all I wanted to see.
I want to see her again. Where'd she go?
She's right there in the center of the frame. Moving over towards the right of the frame. Right center. See her?
Oh, there she is. Yep.
Yep. Good queen. I know there's honey broken there, but let's back up so the frame can go in. There we go. Yeah. Carefully put the beetle trap down. Take the bar off, and we'll take a peek upstairs. We are in kind of a dearth. So I don't see any draw work over here.
Late July and August is a period of time when there's not too much nectar coming in, known as a dearth. It can be a tricky time.
There's a nice little wad of honey over here.
Honey wad.
Honey wad, there you go. So we got the beetle trap in. We got we saw a queen.
We see that
Tons
there's
of it.
some honey.
Yep. So this guy's healthy. Atlantis is a good, healthy hive right now.
Good.
Yeah. That's the nice thing about the screened inner covers. You can kind of do that and peek in, even if you haven't done anything as far as smoking the hive. So this guy has a honey super and then 2 brood boxes.
I don't know how to do it. I just can't look at it.
What's that? Oh,
Does it come off here?
no, I'm taking it off right here. All right.
You're going to take that off first.
I'll take this off first.
Okay.
This is the one honey super.
Yep. So we're going to look at the first brood chamber first.
Over there. Actually, what you want to do here.
Is here?
See this little step on the side of the tool? Right. So you go under the frame, right? Turn it, And then have it so that the step lands on that frame there.
Oh, that's
And then
fantastic.
it's like lever action. There you go. Now put your tool on the other tool there. And do the same thing on the other end.
Oh yeah.
The drone brood over there.
That's
this is the
amazing
frame.
that they just drew their own
Yep.
comb. That's amazing.
Yep.
That's just
Probably
really
have to
cool.
strengthen that at some point by putting some steel wire through, but
Right now it's okay.
yeah, exactly. Good brood frame. Really good brood frame.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, I'm going to need it momentarily. A heavy frame of honey. Okay. So what I'm going to do. By putting that beetle trap in that way, I don't have to pull it further apart. Now, this one down here, chasing the bees out of the area. Try to open up enough area for getting a beetle trap in. I mean, I'd like to see all this comb drawn out and filled with goldenrod later this fall. Feel a lot better about these hives making it through the winter.
I tried to say, oh look, it's Queen Anne's. Like, I don't want to know anymore.
2 hives down and 1 to go. So far the hives were looking pretty good.
And let me prep that last beetle trap.
Is that okay with no mice bitings?
No what?
Mice bitings?
There, a little smoke around front.
You gotta do, I can't reach.
No. What are you guys doing all clustered around that front area, I wonder? So the beetle traps, I didn't show them before, are full of oil. And the only thing we can get in them is the beetles. The holes are too small.
Hi honey, how are ya?
The bees tend to chase the beetles into the holes where they drowned in the oil. I don't think there's anything up in the honey super that we have to really look at. This is the second one. The primary honey super down here.
Alright honey, I'm ordering the bees. I'm over at the badgers with the bees right now. Should be home.
That is a beautiful frame of honey. Oh my.
Yeah,
Okay, just imagine you're in the store picking up a jug of honey and hold this frame.
Oh my
This
god!
is a small frame. This is a medium frame, not a tall frame.
Whoa!
Yep.
That's a lot of honey, honey.
Now we
That's
checkerboarded
exciting.
this last week, so there's an empty frame next to it, obviously.
Look at that, that's wonderful.
As I say, right now we're in a dearth. They're still finding some clover out there, though.
Yeah. Well, there is clover on the ground.
I know. Now, I don't know that the late clover produces much for these guys.
Oh my.
Ah, they're turning this side into a brood frame.
This is a brood frame.
Yeah. As I say, I don't have a queen excluder on, so the queen can just march right up there and do
Honey and
that.
brood.
That's about as natural as it gets.
Yep, there you go. That's nice.
The idea is to winter these guys with a deep and a medium.
Can I just get a little bit to have? Can I just get a comb to eat?
The comb to eat we could do.
Later.
You
Not
could
a lot. It doesn't have to be alive.
You could literally cut
Well, later in
a
the
square
season.
foundation off of this. Hold this bar for a
Because
moment.
that little bit I had was so good.
I know.
Well, before that comes in, we should take a square of it then.
Have a little honey. Lots of open cells like they're expecting some laying to occur. Start to get that cross coordination going. Again, we got a lot of honey. Open cells towards the bottom, like they're expecting activity.
Yep.
And lots of honey. And clean open cells at the bottom.
Is there any
Tiny
larvae?
little bit of
I see a larva.
See larva?
Yeah, I do.
Good. Oh, this side, I believe.
Eggs?
It was not as solid a pattern as I would like to see, but sometimes you can catch the queen between brood-laying cycles, where there's a lot of open cells.
Yeah. Oh, no, it's empty. There's another one over here.
Still be in the process.
Oh, look at that. That's good enough.
Okay.
Unless you damage it.
And there's the queen right here.
See her? Yeah, I see her. Okay, that's what we wanted to see. She's kind of a tiny queen, very thin abdomen. But we have a queen. She is right there. Hopefully I got her in frame. Running down to the lower corner, working her way up over the capped brood. But nonetheless, there is an active queen. So she might just be going through a lull. Because nurse bees don't necessarily know how to get back into the hive. They're young, they've never been outside of it.
Oh my goodness.
Good. You guys are supposed to be on the inside, not the outside. Thank you very much. That's better. Okay, let's brick it. Good inspection.